more to balance sheet. From sleepless nights to solid returns.
Jah Light.
2026, look how far we come. Planet save it, invested right. Small steps turn to generational lives. Crypto rise, bonds stay strong. Hard work sing a victory song. Me never rush, me never fold. Patience turn the pennies into gold.
2026.
Success right clear. Jah Light future finally, yeah. Used to count coins, now me count time. Learn discipline before me chase a dime. Road goes down, stay consistent. Daily habits make the dream persistent. No hype thing, no overnight life. Studied markets, watch patterns rise. Bitcoin dip, me never panic. Held the line, now growth organic. Every loss was tuition, every win was proof. Financial literacy is the real you. Planet save it, invested right. Small steps turn to generational heights. Crypto rise, bonds stay strong. Hard work sing a victory song. Me never rush, me never fold. Patience turn the pennies into gold. 2026 success right clear. Jah Light future finally here, yeah. Self-investment first, mind and health. Books, discipline, spiritual wealth. No bag too big for learning more. Knowledge open every door. Bond steady long-term play. While crypto dance night and day. Diversify, that's the code. Multiple streams, lighten the load. Delayed gratification
Is a rebel act.
while them chase image.
Me build fact.
While them flex today, me secure tomorrow. Now joy replace the worry and sorrow. Yeah. Planet save it, invested right. Legacy built in the candlelight. Crypto wins, bonds protect. Hard work, earn respect. Me stay calm when storms unfold. Faith plus action, wealth get bold. 2026, hear the cheer. Jah Light vision, fully clear. Yeah. Still wake early, still stay grounded. Success sweet, but ego bounded. Give thanks, Jah, for the guidance. Turn survival into abundance. Now me teach youths the way. Budget plan, don't throw life away. If me do it, so can you. Consistent effort, breakthrough. 2026 wasn't luck. It was structure. It was sacrifice. It was belief plus work. Jah Light, proof that discipline pays. From planning to prosperity. Yeah.